Routine maintenance. Yes, you need to do routine maintenance on your computer. So today, I have my girlfriend's laptop here. It is what is it, an HP Envy. It has an Intel 4200M, dual core, 4-thread processor. Not a very big TDP, but it's not running very good. So we're running Prime 95, small FFTs, and this is only stressing the CPU. We're not even getting into putting a graphics load on it. And while my girlfriend plays the Sims 4 on medium settings, it goes past this. It's gotten up to 98 degrees Celsius. So it clearly needs to be repasted and cleaned out. Well, here it is. You can kind of see how dirty it is, but honestly, for it not being open its whole life, these 4 years, I expected it to be a lot worse. So really, it's not super terrible, but it does only have the one fan and the one heatsink. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that, and I'm gonna repaste the CPU, and we'll hope we get some better temps. Okay, so now we're running Prime 95 small FFT again, now that we have it all back together. And you can see temps aren't great, but for a laptop this old, it's not bad. It's staying around 85 and it's not going up. So yeah, I think that's not bad. We probably knocked about 10 Celsius off with that repaste. I've seen it get to 98. It might have gotten to 100 before. Now it won't go past about 85. So that is why you should take the time to clean out your computer, and maybe about once a year, year and a half, just repaste the CPU, because that old stuff will dry up and it won't conduct heat as well. So yeah. Follow our page at facebook.com/wiredcustomscopel, and stay tuned for more how-to videos, reviews, and just gee whiz facts. So thanks for tuning in.